in terms of what was taught, uh, integrating ideas of living holistically in communion with nature, pushing yourself, building a different perspective on things, was very interesting. Um, Particularly for me, because I'm looking to work with communities and local communities and help them connect to sustainable goals and, to water and sanitation related goals. A big challenge is on how decisions could be made. And there, sociocracy plays a big role. And I feel like the approach to sociocracy is very well aligned to how nature functions, which is circular, which is, if you see in nature, there is no CEO or like a director to the movie.
Yeah.
And yet everything is in harmony, right? And that is so well aligned with sociocracy's principles. So it was all in all a great experience. I have a lot of homework to do.
Yeah.
And I would say it is a master practitioner's course, but it is also a starting point for a lot of us. Yeah.
True. I personally felt that anchoring and the logical levels, these two were something that hit very close to my heart, and I've already been thinking of ways how I can use them, not only for myself but also for people around me, and also as a part of my trainings that I would like to eventually start off. So I mean, that does not take away anything from the other concepts that we've learned. Sociocracy, as she rightly put it, I mean, it's a wonderful concept. I still need to go into details of how best can it be used in our in the corporate side or in our normal life, because uh, people are not really trained to work in that fashion. So it will require some effort first on my part.
Uh, Two things that I'm carrying back, which made bigger impact for me, would be one was neurological levels and how it ties into the modeling. I think that was very clear, and how it gets utilized in various pieces of NLP work. I think that was something that learning I'm taking back, and it also helps me to explore inside. It also helped me reflect inside to see what in the other person am I ready to model, and how am I going to do that. How we don't have to take in the whole personality, but a bit of it that we really think is useful to us. So yeah, so that. On the other hand, on my work front, I'm moving into a new bigger role, which requires a lot of work. So there are multiple teams I'll be working with, so bringing in some kind of harmony, some kind of you know setting that will work for everybody and everybody would like to contribute. I thought sociocracy came to me at a very very right time, and understanding how decisions are taken or could be taken with all of your team moving together would only strengthen the team. So I think that was a really right topic for me at the right time.
This program has the capability of saving relationships, of saving families, of having that trust and respect from inside for each other, and building a very solid foundation. So that's how I felt after the course.
We learned how sociocracy can be can function in a family setting, which I thought was a big takeaway from this course.
NLP can change the whole dynamics of the family. It can take a family, a couple, which is, in my opinion, I feel if they are even on the verge of divorce, they must come and do NLP. And even if they're just living a life with each other, just like that, for the heck of it, they must still come and do NLP. And sociocracy is a part which we covered in level 3, which I think is is what can really bind families together with by creating a very happy and harmonious family, because the tools are just appropriate for having harmony in the family, where everyone is given equal rights, and it's not a traditional patriarchal system where one leads the way and the other follows, and the whole cycle goes in frustration and the whole life goes in frustration then for people. So I'm even looking forward for our next Ayurvedic course. For that, I have to meet certain deadlines and prove myself. So I'm really looking forward for that, because I'm sure that that's going to be a journey of its kind. So that's what I would like to.